Okay, to go with our O-Wing lab for today, we're going to do a Forces of Flight. And there is a document to open and a website to go to. The first one is separate, and then the second one is a simulation. The second one you might need to allow Flash Player to play. So make sure that you are unblocking anything that you need to. It is a safe site. Do not worry about it. I was using it last night on my laptop at home. That's how I figured out that it might block it for you. So don't be afraid to allow it to run. Go ahead and do the lift for this, and you'll notice that there's there's drag and there's some other stuff that we'll do tomorrow. I split this up to keep it a little more manageable for you this week and not get too crazy. So go ahead and you can submit this in the assignment, and the part 2 will be up at some point in time today as well. So if you wanted to do that, you're certainly welcome to finish it off and be done with the distance learning part of the week. And have a fantastic day.